Hey everyone, trying to uninstall Microsoft widget. It is from your Windows PC in 2025. You may have noticed that the usual uninstall button is grayed out. Don't worry, I will show you how to remove it is completely step by step. Let's go. If you manually install Microsoft Edge like beta or dev builds, you can uninstall it easily. So first of all, you have to go to the settings and to choose the apps icon and select the install apps and scroll down and to search the Microsoft Edge. Now I am searching on the Microsoft Edge. You can see now here is the Microsoft Edge. Now you can click the three dot menu and to click the uninstall here. But if it's the pre-installed system version, keep watching. The second method is to install the system version of Edge. Use this method to open the file explorer, to navigate, to choose the C drive and open the version, program files 86, and where is the Microsoft Edge. To click the Microsoft, then go to the Edge and to click the application. Here you can see the version of to click the installer and go to the CMD and also you can write the and hit enter and Edge will be removed. This bypass the restriction on built-in apps. So hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.